Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing both SIMs and the phone. This matters because wrong placement can disable one line. Power off the device to avoid errors, then open the tray or back cover using the SIM tool. Place each SIM in its correct slot. Some phones use slot 1 for primary data and slot 2 for secondary voice. Once done, reassemble and power on. This immediate step ensures the phone recognizes both networks so you can configure them next. You'll next configure how each SIM behaves. This is where control and convenience happen. Go to Settings, then SIM cards or mobile network. Enable both lines and let the phone register to their carriers. Make one SIM the default for mobile data and pick which handles calls and SMS, or set per app preferences if your OS allows. Rename and color code each SIM so you see them immediately in the dialer. Also, set data limits and roaming rules to avoid unexpected charges. You'll finish by testing and knowing one key fix. Make test calls, send SMS, and browse with mobile data on each SIM to verify routing. Switch defaults if you notice the wrong line used. If a SIM isn't detected, toggle airplane mode, restart the phone, or power off and reseat the SIM. This simple step resolves most issues. If service still fails, check APN and carrier settings, and then contact the carrier. Remember, reseating SIMs resolves hardware ignition faults most of the time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.